Hello friends, welcome back to Winlin Mac Tutorials. It has been quite a while since I last posted, but thank God I'm back with another tutorial where I'll be illustrating to you how to use your iPhone camera as a video source in OBS. I will be illustrating this in Windows 11, therefore if you have a Mac, let me know so that I can do another video in future. This method is super simple and it works even on older iPhones like my iPhone 6s Plus. We shall be using a software known as Video Ninja for this tutorial. Therefore, no need to start looking for a cable as that is not needed in this guide. Video Ninja is a free browser-based software that will help us to connect our iPhone camera to OBS wirelessly. Before we start this tutorial, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once that is sorted, launch your favorite browser. For illustration purposes, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once Chrome is up, paste the link provided in the description below in your browser. Once you've pasted the link that you copied from the description, will be directed to the Video Ninja homepage. On the Video Ninja's homepage, there are 4 options. One is create a room, add your camera to OBS, remote screen share into OBS, and create reusable invite. So for our sake, we shall click the last option, which is create reusable invite. Once you click on that, click the generate the invite link. Leave everything as it is. Do not worry about changing the settings. Once you click there, you'll be directed to the QR code. A QR code will be displayed, but before we scan it, copy the URL link below the QR code as it will come in handy as we shall be using it as a browser source in OBS. Now launch OBS and go to the sources section. Click the plus icon and add a browser source. Once that is done, paste the link we copied and click OK to finish. Leave all the other settings as is to avoid getting errors. Now move back to your iPhone and launch the camera and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, allow permissions to your phone, that is to access the camera and microphone. Once the permissions are set up, click on the start icon to initiate the broadcast process. You will now see your screen appear on OBS and you can record or stream using your iPhone camera as the video source. That's it, as simple as that. You are now able to use your camera wirelessly as a video source on OBS. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just a quick note, I've been doing daily UI challenges on Figma and I wanted to inquire if I can document and record the tutorials for you. It is a good skill to have, therefore let me know what your opinions are in the comment section. I feel most people doing the tutorials assume we all know everything and they miss out on some important things, leaving most of us frustrated, and therefore I wanted to showcase how I do everything step by step so that everyone can learn and benefit from the tutorials. Anyway, thank you so much for your audience. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Also remember to like the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember to stay safe. Signing out. Peace.